Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play between 2 points on the piano. First, identify your starting and ending notes. Then, consider the musical journey connecting them. This involves understanding the melody's shape and the underlying harmony. Our goal is to create a seamless and expressive connection, making the music flow naturally from one point to the next. We will explore techniques to achieve this fluidity. To connect notes smoothly, master the legato touch. This means holding one note until the next is played, creating a seamless sound. Develop strong finger independence through targeted exercises, ensuring each finger can move precisely. Additionally, the sustain pedal is a powerful tool. Use it to blend harmonies and create a rich sound, but be careful not to overpedal and muddy the music. Effective practice is key. Begin by playing scales and arpeggios, ensuring each note has equal weight and duration. Then, isolate short 2-note or 3-note phrases, focusing on the precise connection between them. Gradually expand these into longer musical lines. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful. Listen back critically to pinpoint any unevenness or breaks in your musical flow. Beyond technical connection, focus on musicality. Vary your dynamics, playing some sections softer and others louder to create expressive contours. Listen carefully to the resonance and tone of each note, ensuring a beautiful sound. Think of each phrase as a story, with a clear beginning, a developing middle, and a satisfying conclusion. This thoughtful approach elevates your playing from mere notes to true music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.